Friends, welcome back to my homeschooling. Today I'll be showing activities to teach emotions for our kids. Do you have a question? Why should we teach emotions for children's even as early as they are toddlers? Then this video is for you. I'll be answering all your questions. As we know, all living things have emotions, including animals, plants, humans. As humans, it's equally important for us to understand our own emotions and also understand others' emotions. Further in this video, I'll give you more details on shades of emotions. Now, without any further delay, let's get into our activities. So, this is our first activity. In this activity, I have used a paper plate and I have pasted a printout. This is available on Google also. So if not, you can draw different emotion shapes, emojis and do this. I've put a split head pen. You can ask the child, how are you feeling today? He can say bored, he can say sad, embarrassed, anything. He can turn the wheel. So this will be our first activity. So in our second activity, it is like feeling check-in. You can write the sentence and you can make a checklist here. How are you feeling right now? How are things going at school? How are things going at home? How are your friendship going? So this way you should check each and everything so that you will be keeping his emotions in track. You'll know how he is feeling in fact. So this is very important activity which you should do it almost every day so that the child understands his emotions. The third activity, in this I have stick the paper to the paper cup. I have used two paper cups, made one cut and I'll be inserting this. Emojis will be shifting. This is laughing emotion, angry emotion, smiling, happy, sad, confused, surprised. So this way you can show the emotions to the kids. So this is our fourth activity. In this you need to make different eyes expression and the mouth expressions and keep it on the face. So this is like worried face I'll be doing. So it's worried. You can say make a worried face. The child will be able to do this. So then happy face. Happy face. So that way you can create different emotion cards and you can give the child and they'll be doing. Wow expressions. So this way you can make the child do this activity. So in our next activity, I'll be showing you drawing the faces. To do this activity, give the child to draw the expressions. You can give a mirror to him and say him to see his face happy. Make a happy face and he can see the face and do it. And he can draw the happy face. Tired face. The child can draw a tired face. But he should see his face in the mirror so that he feel tired, sad and everything. Expressions, he'll be able to identify his expressions. So this way. So this is our sixth activity. In this, we'll be using Play-doh and doing the expressions. So I've used eyes for this. As I don't have black and white clay, I've used the eyes. So here you can say the child to do the expressions using clay. Like I'll be making a happy face now. Clay is a very good sensory activity. We all know about it. So I'll keep nose. child will enjoy this activity. So this way the child can keep hairs, ears, etc. So this is our sixth activity. This is our seventh activity. In this I have wrote different expression faces on ice cream stick, and you need to give a pin to him, cloth pin. So he need to fix on happy face. If you say a surprise face, he should put on that. If you say laughing, you should put on that. This way his finger grip also will be increasing. This will help in finger grip also. So let's get into our eighth activity. In our eighth activity, we'll be giving different chits for the kid. This will be very interesting for the kid to play. He'll be given a situation. I'll read out the situations, and the child need to give the expression for this particular situation. You spend time drawing a picture, but someone makes fun of it. You should ask the child to give the expression for this particular situation. So I'm just giving you ideas what all you can write. I'll just read out. You are supposed to have art class next, but art class got cancelled. Picnic is planned at your home. A friend borrowed something of yours but does not return. After writing homework for 2 hours. You need to study for a quiz, but your parents want to go shopping. So this will be very interesting. The child is confused whether he want to go for shopping or he want to prepare for quiz. So this way you can make different chits, different situation chits and do it. So let's get into our ninth activity. This is like counting. If the child has just started counting, learning counting, you can give this. How many angry faces are there? He need to count and he need to write here. So that way he can fill up. If it is 3 faces, he need to tick on this. If it is 4 faces, he need to tick on this. So this way you can make a worksheet and give to the child. This is our 10th and final activity. Now, this is a very important activity for adults and also kids, because many of us will feel sad, will feel happy, joyful, scared, peaceful, many emotions we get. Suppose for example, if I take scared emotion, here the child or adult, they may be scared because of rejection. He getting rejected in some competition, he may be scared. He may be scared because he's confused to give a particular answer. It can be he's scared because he's helpless in some situation. So that for everything he says scared, but he should be able to identify because of what he's feeling scared. So this way, even kids or adults, we should be able to identify for what reason we are getting such particular emotions. So this is very important for everyone to know. Self-analyze is important. We should analyze what is happening with us, because many of us feel sad because of loneliness, because of rejection. So different emotions are there. For each and everything also have different emotions. So always we should be able to judge our emotion. So with this, let's wind up for this and meet up in our next activities. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more such activities. Thank you. Happy learning.